Okay, so for this worksheet, I'm going to put the answers in Schoology under the assignment, and it'll just say like 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D. But we're going to do problems 1, 2, and 3 on this one and see if you can do the rest of them that are similar to this. The first one says a rectangle has a length of 2x plus 1 and a width of 5x minus 4. So that means they're giving you the sides. Think of a rectangle. You have a length of 2x plus 1 and you have a width of 5x minus 4. The question is asking for the area. So what is the area equal to? So how do you find area of a rectangle? Do you add them? Do you subtract them? You multiply. Area equals the length times the width. Okay, the length times the width. So let me erase the rectangle and let me write that down. The area equals length times width. The length is 2x plus 1 and the width is 5x minus 4. So what would you do to find the area now? How can you simplify that? You would draw the box. It's a 2 by 2. And you would put the length on one side, 2x plus 1. And you would put the width on the other side, 5x minus 4. And you would start multiplying them in. Multiply in. And look at the answer choices. So what is 2x times 5x? 10x squared. I'm multiplying in. What's 2x times negative 4? Negative 8x. What's 5x times positive 1? Positive 5x. And what's 1 times negative 4? Negative 4. And then you combine these two. Positive 5 plus negative 8 gives you a negative 3. So the answer is B. Okay, now let's look at problem number 2. It's telling you to subtract. But if you don't even look at the word subtract, okay, and you look at all of this, what do you notice and what are you supposed to do first? Distribute. You distribute. What are you distributing? The negative 1. That's a negative 1 and you have to distribute. Okay? Is there something in front over here that I can distribute? No. So I can get rid of these parentheses after I distribute this on this side. Okay? So you have to distribute a negative 1. That means multiply everything inside that parentheses by negative 1. So what is negative 1 times 5x squared? Negative 5x squared. What's negative 1 times negative 3x? Positive 3x. And what's negative 1 times positive 1? Negative 1. And then the rest of it comes down. So 2x squared plus 1x minus 5. What's the next step? Combine like terms. So anything that looks alike, we're going to combine it. So I have 2x squared minus 5x squared. What does that give you? Put in the calculator. 2 minus 5. Negative 3x squared. Then the x's. I have 1x plus 3x. That's a positive 4x. And then negative 5 minus 1, negative 6. So the first thing you did was distribute, write it down, the negative 1. And then we combine like terms. Okay, and that's how you subtract. So the answer is D. Oh no, A. See how easy you can get confused? This one has a 4 and a 2. That's not right. The answer is A. Let's look at problem number 3. Simplify the expression. You would do this exactly like we just did problem number 1. So I'm going to rewrite it. It's 3 parentheses x plus 1 minus 2 parentheses 3x plus 7. So the first thing you're going to do is distribute. That's a negative 2. Distribute. And then after you distribute, you're going to combine like terms. Combine like terms, and that's how you're going to get the answer for problem number 3.